Hi, I'm George, co-founder of DocuVela. I'd like to show you a quick preview of Veladocs.flow, an upcoming module for Veladocs that enables fast and efficient document review and approval. Specifically, in this video, we're going to take a deeper look at how approvers process tasks. So the first thing to note is that when a task enters a user's inbox, he or she will get an email notification letting them know that a task is available for them to approve. That email will contain a link that will take them directly to the task in the Veladocs UI. The user can also come into the approver dashboard to see their inbox. The dashboard here will surface a next up task, and this can be dynamic and configured based on the business needs. So for example, it could show you a task that's been waiting a long time, or maybe something that's just entered your inbox, or it could be configured based on other criteria. So here's a list of my tasks that I have, and I can see I have a number of them here. And I also see an indicator on whether the task is an eSignature or an upload signed copy for the method of signature. The table here shows the document list, the type of the document, the role that I'm signing off on, and how long it's been waiting on me. I also have some quick actions over here where I can take a look at the status, so quickly see where it is in the process, who has approved, who it's still waiting on, and then I can also delegate the task as well from here. So if I decide that I'm not the right approver for this, I can go ahead and search for another user and go ahead and delegate my task. I'm going to go ahead and process this task here though. And when I click on the name here or this review button, I can quickly view the document so that I can look through the document, make sure it looks okay. And then I have some options over here for applying my electronic signature. So if I see something wrong, I can go ahead and click reject and then type whatever reason I want in here, or I can come back and just approve the document, which I will do. So the document is now approved and is moved on to the next approver in the workflow. Just really quickly here, I'll show an example of a bulk task. So this task will look very similar, although you will see this one requires sign off to apply my electronic signature. But here I can flip between the documents very quickly and see each document in the package that is being routed to me. Real quickly, I want to show an example of some approved documents. So I'm going to jump back to the initiator dashboard, and I will see a list of documents that I've routed that have become approved. So I'll go ahead and take a look at this first one here. We can see the approve has finished, but I also can see the signature page that was added. So this is what the electronic signature does. When each user applies their e-signature, we get a row added to this table that says who signed, in what role, and the timestamp of the approval signature. Heading back over to my approver dashboard, one other thing I'll mention is that if my user does more approvals rather than starting workflows and working with drafts, I can just drag this to the top. I can also give myself more room for this dashboard here. But essentially what this is doing is saying that I want this approver view to be my default view so that when I come into the dashboard, I'm looking at my inbox rather than these other tabs. Well, that's it for this quick demo of the approver use case for Veladocs.flow. Contact us and stay tuned to our blog and LinkedIn page to learn more about Veladocs. Thanks for watching.